Big advice mula rito sa former NBA player na siguradong makatutulong ng malaki para sa kaampo ng ating kababayan. Yan matapos mong i-like ang video na ito, mag-subscribe sa ating channel at pakidamay na rin ang ating opisyal na Facebook page. Pero bago natin simulan, alam mo ba ngayon mas madali nang maglaro at manalo dito sa 1xBet? Especially na pwede ka nang mag-cash in at mag-cash out through GCash. Kaya naman i-click lamang etong link na nasa comment section ng ating video at gamitin ang promo code na BGS2 upang makasali. Isama pa natin na pwede mo na rin i-download etong kanilang official app para sa mas malalaking papremyo na nag-aantay sa'yo. Kanina nga mga bulero, maliban dito sa naganap na tapatan ng Lakers kontra Portland, siguradong kabilang din etong laban ng Spurs sa inabangan ng marami sa atin. Especially na sa past 4 games nga ng koponan, pare-parehong natalo dyan ng San Antonio. Kung saan kanina, sa kabila ng disenteng mga numero, nanaka na ni Wemby kontra Miami, matapos siyang makapagtala ng 18 points at 11 rebounds, bigo pa rin ng Spurs na makasungkit ng panalo. After tapusin ng hitang laban na lamang ng 5 puntos, 118 to 113.
Yeah, we're not far away. Doesn't mean it's going to be easy, but we're not far away.
What was the physicality like down the stretch that Miami brought to the game, and how do you feel like you guys countered that?
I mean, it was okay. It's a very experienced team. Went to the finals, where we got many things to correct.
Samantala sa kabilang banda, alam naman natin na kahapon, panibagong linggo na naman ang natapos na wala tayong nasilayang soto para sa Hiroshima. Pero kahit na ganon, patuloy pa rin umaasa ang marami na sa next few games ng Dragonflies bago matapos ang taon, atin ang makikitang maglaro muli si Kai. Pero bago yan, ating silipin nga muna mga bularo, etong pag-mention kamakailan lang sa isang panayam na etong dating NBA player na si Quincy Miller dito nga sa ating kababayan.
Who really strikes you as maybe a guy who's ready to become an international player, an NBA player, in fact?
NBA player from the PBA or
Yeah.
honestly, a guy that sticks out to me that I'm playing with right now is Calvin. Calvin, I know he played on the national team. He's just not only is he just a special player, he always has a positive attitude, man. He's always a good guy, and it's contagious, you know. And like I said, he's always ready to play. Every day he comes in and work hard and score the ball. I really like. One guy that sticks out to me as well is Kai Solo. I think that if he just becomes a little bit more aggressive, he could definitely be in the NBA.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah, for sure. But yeah, those two guys that stick out to me that could definitely be NBA players.